the fuck? I didn't even see you do that though.
What's going on, you guys? Jarek120 here. So I haven't been online recently. I got a brand new member of the family. This is Oscar, Dr. Professor Oscar. And so I've been taking care of him recently. He is about less than a week in our possession, but he's 4 years old, so he's okay. Along with Oscar, I've had my hands tied up and I've been heavily invested into the social media platform Twitch. Essentially, Twitch is live interaction with your favorite creators. When a lot of people think of Twitch, they think video games. And, oh, Jarek, like, what are you doing? We don't want to watch you play video games, or we're not doing video games. Well, the reason I'm making this video is because I believe Twitch has the potential to be so much more, and that's why I'm here to announce that this Saturday and every Saturday going forward, I'm going to be doing something called Street Magic Saturdays. We're live on Twitch. I will go out in the streets and you guys can comment, hey, go up to that person in the red shirt and say this to them, see if it will work. I think the strategy that I'm going to use is just doing one magic trick over and over and over and over and over to different people for multiple reasons, to teach you guys that it's better to do one great trick to 100 people than it is to do 100 tricks to one person. So it will also keep up the flow of the thing. I don't have to constantly be doing different tricks or new tricks, or risking messing up, or flubbering, see? This and every Saturday is going to be Street Magic Saturday, where I go out and perform street magic at noon Pacific Standard Time here in California, or wherever I am, and allow you guys to break down the psychology with me of like why that didn't work, what might work, and why I'm approaching certain people. Essentially the daily street magic series, but live. I really do believe that Twitch is the next big social media platform, and I think YouTube has done a lot of things that have hurt the creators, and it's pretty public knowledge what the algorithms have done to hurt the creators and cater more towards like Ellen DeGeneres, Jimmy Fallon, like the big numbers people. Whereas Twitch, it kind of brings that sense of community back. I think it's just a really overall more healthy platform to be on, because you get to follow creators that you really care about, and you actually will get notifications from them when they go live and what they're doing, and it's kind of cool to just hop into a game and get to, you know, spend a weekend afternoon playing a video game with someone that you watch on YouTube. When I was younger, it would have been really cool if David Blaine had some form of immediate access way to get a hold of him, where he just like, you know, talk to you about how your day was going and let you know everything's gonna be alright if that's what you need to do here. I'm learning something new about Twitch every single day, and one of my favorite things I've come across is Discord. Discord is this pretty much one-stop shop app to connect with your favorite creators, and it's kind of like a subreddit, or it's like a private discussion board amongst you, the creator, and a group of others similar like you who are interested in the same thing. So in my Discord, for example, we talk about magic, TV, entertainment, street magic, live performances, what tricks are cool to get, what maybe stay away from, everyone just sharing their opinions, wishing each other happy birthday, and just really building and forming a community. And so I'm going to leave an open invitational link in my description, the first link, for my Discord. It's completely free. You guys can hop in and see what's going on and start to learn and understand, and possibly ask other people, you know, advice in case I can't immediately get to you. There's a lot of other people in there who are either older or more experienced magicians who can tell you things pretty quickly if I'm not there. And because it is my Discord, I respond pretty promptly as well. What else is really nice about this Discord is it actually will notify you guys of when I'm going live, when your favorite creators are going live. YouTube has changed their subscribe to hit the bell to get notified, and people are automatically getting unsubscribed from people, and to the point where even if the bell is rung, people aren't seeing what you're putting out. So what's really nice about this Discord is if you're following someone, then you will get notified of what they're doing, which is nice. Because Instagram and Facebook and Twitter just don't really cater to that. They cater more towards what's the most popular thing, or what do we think you will like, and let's put that in your face. But that's not necessarily always true. You always want to see what's happening when it's happening. and Facebook and Instagram and all that stuff, and even YouTube have lost that key algorithm of show me the newest thing first. And what's nice about Discord is it basically tells you right away on your phone or mobile device or wherever, like, hey, Jarek120's live, he's doing Street Magic today, or like, hey, it's Subday Sunday, come in here and try to win a free deck of cards. Every Sunday is Subday Sunday, where I play with the subscribers. We do like this competitive tournament style where the winner will get a grand prize, and I also do giveaways throughout the stream as well. On those Subday Sundays, I will start including tutorials, live tutorials in them as well, so you guys can follow along, ask questions, see what's going wrong, and I'll be able to move and manipulate the camera to help you guys see exactly what's going wrong, where you guys are struggling. It'll be a very nice, fun, interactive, new way to learn Magic. It's actually like a private, interactive lesson versus just you watching a video and having to repeat and follow along. I want to bring special guest speakers around and do podcasts and have them do guest tutorials as well. I'm very excited about that. I know it will work out, and ultimately play games with you guys. Spend the afternoon just turning our brains off and laughing, having a good time playing Fortnite, which is what I'm playing right now. It's a fun game, it's free, it works cross-platform, so if you have an Xbox One, a PlayStation 4, a Windows computer, a Macintosh computer, a mobile device, a tablet, this game is free. Fortnite Battle Royale is free for everyone to play and cross console connections. I'm on the Xbox One, but I can play with you if you're on the PC, and then we can play with 2 other people that are on a PS4 and a tablet. It just works. So it's pretty fun. You get to play a free game with me on Sundays, with other people who are just like you who want to learn Magic or are interested, and we're trying to build a community, like rebuild this community that I feel YouTube is kind of... I really am going to be taking Twitch more seriously going forward, and with that being said, I'm going to be attending TwitchCon at the end of the month, October 25th through the 28th in San Jose, California. So if you guys live in the San Jose area or San Francisco and want to meet up and want to like collab, do something together, we can like go film Street Magic. It'll be awesome. So there you go. I will be in San Jose, California, October 25th through the 28th for TwitchCon. If you're there, let me know beforehand so we can link up. And I'll be on Twitter as well and Instagram, keeping you guys up to date with all of my whereabouts as well. All my socials are at Jarek120. The 2 things I'd recommend you doing right now, absolutely free, is click our Discord link in the description below and hop over to twitch.tv/Jarek120 and click the little green heart. It's the follow button. It's free, and it just lets you know, gives you a little notification, hey, Jarek120's live. And that's what the Discord does too. It just says, hey, just so you know, Jarek120 is out in the streets doing Magic somewhere. If you want to go watch him, like, he might be doing it for the next hour or 2. So if you want to just come in and say hi, you can, or, you know, he might still be here in like an hour and a half. So just, you know, let him do his thing and then come say hi later. So join our Discord and hit the green follow button live on Twitch, and join me every Saturday for Street Magic Saturday at noon Pacific Standard Time, and then Subday Sundays, every Sunday, giving back to the subscribers at 10 a.m. West Coast time, Pacific Standard Time. Aspire to inspire and do what makes you happy. Catch you at TwitchCon. Much love. Peace. Dude, dubs with the subs, dude.
Hey, Braxton, do you want to count how many kills I had, bro? You want to tell me that?
Nightfall, 5 kills, Nightfall, dude, good job, dude. And we got a victory royal, and so we got a dub with the sub, dude.